Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this motivational video. So in today's video we are doing our laundry and we are also painting. Towards the video, just a hint of me painting the room. I couldn't finish recording since my phone died. Yeah, so in today's video guys, I am using Ariel. I have been experimenting, guys. If you have been watching my videos for the longest time, you will know that I've been using different detergent trying to get the best one, and I must tell you, for now I'm stuck on Ariel. For me, that's the best detergent ever. It's a bit pricey, but it's just so worth it to buy, because the little that you put, it goes a long way. It leaves your clothes smelling good. Guys, please note that these videos that I do, it's usually just my experiment for me myself, also to get the best thing ever, and it's not paid. These are not paid reviews that I come here and tell you guys. It's just me, because it's what I like to do anyway, whether I was here on YouTube or not. Yeah, and another thing that I am using here, which is I would recommend so much if you are always hand washing, you really do not need to buy what is it, washing powder. It's that Oxy and Sunlight together. Oh my god, they do magic on the stains together, guys. So here what I'm quickly doing, I'm quickly washing the pillowcases. One of that white fluffy white mat, it actually sits on the floor. It just had these stains. It was actually not dirty, but it had these stains that I've been washing, I think, so many times, and the stain was not going away, but it finally went away. Maybe just needed my hands, you know. And I'm also going to be washing 3 of my son's trousers that were extremely dirty, guys. Yeah, guys. Here I was finished with the first load, but unfortunately I don't know what happened. I thought I pressed record when I was hanging the clothes outside, but I didn't. Yeah, so I lost all those clips, and I'm not going to be showing you the full process of me washing, because I had help. My daughter is in the house, so she was hanging clothes now and then in between. Yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in again to watch this video. I don't think I'll be talking much. I've explained what I'm using. You know the drill, guys. I do use bicarbonate of soda with the vinegar. Earlier on in the video, I was washing my filter, so I do clean my filter once after every 6 loads, which means it's usually once a week. I do, with no fail, clean it once a week. Obviously now in the house, I'm not the only one who washes. Yeah, sometimes it will be more loads, but usually my load that I do myself per week is usually about 6. So I do clean my filter without a fail once a week. The thing that makes it easily to get so much dirty just like that is because I use the Sunlight bar soap. I put the Sunlight bar soap that you've seen earlier on, guys, the one that I grate, the one that I'm washing with right now. So that's not good actually for the machine. I've just noticed with so many, like, I've been doing this process for the longest time, so I've noticed that it's really not good for the machine. I will advise you, which I don't usually do, some other days are my lazy days and I just want to be done with the laundry, but it's best if you just dissolve it aside, maybe with hot water, before you put it inside the machine, because if you put it just like that, it does something to the machine. I can't really figure it out and say what exactly it does, but it's not doing good to the machine. It creates a build-up and it makes your machine more dirty. So my machine requires a deep cleaning. I will have done it myself, but the space where my machine sits is too small, so I do need my husband to help me to take out the machine so I can do a deep clean nicely of the machine. It really needs some TLC at the moment. Yeah guys, this water, I am going also to use it inside the machine when I wash my little one's things and mix it up with everything, the rest of his clothes. So guys, I was just finishing up one of the areas in the house to paint, and I made myself dirty. That's why I was washing that shirt that I was wearing. I didn't want to take it out because it was just something small, and the weather was nice, you know, it just got dry just like that. Yeah guys, I think this is where, guys, I'm gonna end talking. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Please do enjoy your holidays. Stay safe. Yeah, just be on the safer side, whatever you do. Be safe, man. Be safe. May we all just reach 2023, and we are so thankful that we were able to reach December. I mean, the year has been long and we have lost a lot of people along the way, but God has just been with us and we are still here. And yeah, and we pray for the better, whatever that is happening in our life. We pray everything must just be better and improve and to more success. Like everything must just open up, everything must just align in all our individual lives, guys. That's my wish for everyone. Anyway, guys, I am going to say bye bye here. I'll see you whenever I upload, really. Yeah, this December I can't say anything. Like there's days where I will not upload because I need rest. I just need rest. I just need rest. My kids are by the house. I'm hardly sitting with them watching TV. So those kind of things I want to sit and do. Yeah, guys. Now I'm folding. I hope you got motivation watching this video. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye-bye.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. 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 I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go.
guys, I am painting and I've already started with the first layer of the paint in this room. I got this at Game. I had already paint sitting, so I'm just gonna add this to change the color.